Simulan na natin. Totoo na to.
Okay, stretch muna natin si arms po, tsaka si back natin. Dito na lang po tayo sa inside.
Isa, ida.
Yes po.
Sige.
Okay, good. And then, atras po kayo. Atras po po.
Ikaw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, and then, let's do your roll down. Let's move the arms up. And then exhale, bring your chin to your chest, curl down. Bone by bone. Yan. Heads down, release the tension on your neck for 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhaling, curl up. Lift your arms up. And then relax natin on the sides. Okay, good. Next po natin is hawakan natin si shoulder block po. Yes. Straight lang at dalawang tuhod. Yes. And then round your back po. So heads down, tapos scoop this belly up. Pangat po. Kailangan parang shell ka po. Yeah. You can bend your knees slightly. Kunti lang. Yes. As you exhale po, pull the shoulder block. Bend ang elbows.
Dito pa.
Yes. Exhale po. Inhaling, return. Relax ang head, heads down. Exhale for 2. Inhaling, return. Exhale for 3. Inhale, return. Exhale 4. Inhale, return. Exhale for 5. Inhale, return. Exhale for 6. Inhale, return. Last 2. Exhale for 7. Inhale, return. One more. Exhaling, pull. Inhaling, return. Okay po. This time, straight lang ang elbows. Hawak pa rin. Yes. And then, exhale, lower your hips down. And chest out po. Stretch natin si back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhaling in. Stretch your arms here. Lengthen your arm. Exhaling, bend forward. Baba si hips. Arch your back. Yan. 4, 2. Inhaling, return. Around your back ulit. Stretch your arm. Exhaling. Extend your back. Lower your hips. Yan. Last 2. Inhaling, round your back. Exhaling, extend. Baba si puwet. Inhale, round your back. Last one. Exhaling, extend. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, return. Okay. And taas yung hands natin. Go to the side of the frame. Sa gilid po. Labas na kayo sa gilid. Yan. And then po, sit down tayo sa carriage. Change your screen po going to remove muna yung yellow. Tapos lagay po si red and then one green. Yan.
One
isa
name
pa.
lang. Okay.
And then one green po. Yan. Okay. Sit down on the ball po. So, bali, sandalan niyo siya. Harap sa mirror po. Yan. Forward po ng konti. Yes. And then, sandalan niyo po siya. Okay, good. Arms here sa likod. Patong po yung dalawang foot here. Yan. Sige. Abante po kayo. Yes. Kailangan nasa gitna tayo ng carriage. Yan. Okay. And roll back. Yes. Okay.
Random ko na yun.
Sabi ko parang
Sadya yan ah.
masyado lang nakalikod. Kaya walang nararamdaman.
Kaya alam mo ah. O sige.
Okay. Angat po ang heels. Parang naka-tiptoe. Yan. Like this po. Yes. Exhale. Extend your knees. Push. Sige. Push po yung tuhod po. Inhale. Balik ka po, ma'am. Open si carriage. Sige po. Tulak niyo.
Paano ito? Ay,
Push
ito.
po. Yan.
Okay.
Inhale, return. Balik. Yes. Pero maintain nyo po yung nakasandal kayo. Yan. And push si tuhod. Yun. Inhale, return. Yes. Tama. And exhale for 3. Inhale, return. Yan. 5 more. 4. Inhale, return. Exhale for 5. Inhale, return. Exhale for 6. Inhale, return. 2 more. Exhale for 7. Inhale, return. 1 more. Last exhale. Inhale, return. Okay. Counter stretch. Rest muna. Wait lang. Rest.
Sige.
Rest po. Deep breaths. Yan. Okay. Good. And then, try po natin isang leg lang yung magpupush.
Uy.
Okay.
Uy.
Opo.
Ito.
Yan.
Ganyan.
Yes. And then, same movement lang. Okay. And exhale, push for 1. Inhale, return. Exhale, push for 2. And return. Exhale, push for 3. And return. Exhale, push for 4. And return. Exhale, push for 5. And return. Last one, 6. And return. Other side. Deep breaths. Hinga po.
Pero pag pinapagod, simple lang. Pero masakit. Ganon. Kami.
Same lang naman yung position.
Ganon.
Yes po.
Okay.
Yan, heel up po tayo. Yes. And exhale, push for 1. Inhale, return. Yes. Exhale, push for 2. Inhale, return. Exhale, push for 3. Inhale, return. Exhale, 4. Inhale, return. Exhale for 5. Inhale, return. Last one, exhale for 6. Inhale, return. Okay, good. Deep breaths. Next time na po yung may twist. Okay. Next time na po. Yan na muna daw.
So, yun na yun, napakalakagad ba? Sige, tama yan na next.
Okay. Next po. Higa po tayo. Okay. Careful po. Yes, lie down. Okay, good. And patong po ang dalawang foot here. Yes. Hands down on your sides po. Yan. And, okay, good. Exhale, lift your buttocks up. Taas lang ulit si puwet. Oh, kailangan hindi gumalaw si carriage.
Oh my God, okay.
Yes. And exhale, lift your buttocks. Try to not move the carriage. Inhale, lower down. Yan. Okay. Exhale, lift for 2. Pressure on your upper back lang, hindi kay leeg. Yan. Inhale, return. Yes, kasi masyado ko pong naka chin tuck po. Yan, relax naman yung head. Exhale, lift for 3. Yan. Inhale, return. Exhale, lift for 4. Inhale, return. Last 4. Exhale, lift for 5. Inhale, return. Exhale and lift for 6. Inhale, return. Exhale and lift for 7. Inhale, return. Last one, may hold lang tayo. Exhale, lift for 8. Hold this position po. And extend your legs, push. Sige, tulak po. Yan. And then inhale, return. Exhale, push for 2. Inhale, return. Higher pa si butt. Exhale, push for 3. Yes. Inhale, return. Last 2. 4. And return. 1 more. 5. And return. Slowly baba si puwet. Okay, good. Shake your legs. Yan. Okay. Single leg this time.
Single like this.
Single leg. Single leg na para bang
Single leg talaga. Leg.
single leg. Ba't
Wala
kailangan
yung leg ko
Bakit
eh.
kailangan isa? Kaya nga dalawa, no? Kaya nga dalawa sila, di ba? Okay. Tabletop natin si left. Yan. And exhale, lift your buttocks up for 1. Taas po natin si puwet. Inhaling, return. Exhale, lift for 2. Inhale, return. Yan. Hanggang 5 lang. Exhale, lift for 3. Inhale, return. Last 2. Exhale, lift 4. Yan. Inhale, return. Okay. The last one, my hold. Exhale, lift. And we hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down your back. Okay, good. Other side. Okay, good. 5 lang. And inhale for nothing. Exhale, lift. Yan. Inhaling down. Yes. Exhale, lift for 2. Inhale, return. Exhale, lift for 3. Inhale, return. Exhale, lift for 4. Inhale, return. Last one, my hold. Exhale, lift your buttocks up and we hold for 8, 7, keep breathing, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Baba si puwet. Okay, good. Good. Shake your legs. Okay. This time is ibig natin sa lower leg po. Yan. Hold your shoulder block. Yan. Naka-hug lang. Yes. Okay. And tabletop si legs. Remember si tabletop. Yan. And exhale, rotate your legs to the right. Yung knee po. Yung knee.
Yung ni, dito pa ganun.
Tayo pa kanan po. Yan.
Okay.
And rotate for
But only 8, only right.
ano yung pa yun? Parte din naman ng ano?
Hindi na si instruction ni ma'am.
Parte din naman yung paa ng...
Ako dinarap. Ang dali naman ito. Kaya mo na madali. O sige.
Okay.
Ano nga pala madali sa'yo? Sige ba?
Okay.
Kasama mo yung knee, ma'am. Sorry. Sige tayo. Ay, ako. Sorry.
Rotate.
Sige.
Over 1. Yan. And extend.
Ooh, okay.
Yan. Inhale, bend. And balik sa gitna. Exhale, puro this side po. Dito ulit.
Okay.
Rotate for 2. And extend. Yan. Inhale. And balik sa gitna. Exhale for 3. Extend. Inhale, bend, and return. Exhale, 4. And extend. Inhaling. Oh, parang ngayon lang siya nagalaw. Exhale for 4. And extend. Inhale, bend, and return. Exhaling for 5. Extend. Bend, and return. Last one. Exhale. And extend, hold, keep breathing for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend, and balik sa gitna.
Pag-review po.
Naiinit.
Ang dami ako tama. Ang dami ako tama. Ba't may for ulit? Nagaya mo na ako. Ang bagal mo na magbilang.
Sorry. Tinagdagan pa. Okay. And
Sorry naman, mareklamo talaga ako.
others side.
Sabi ng coach ko sa gym, naku, nagpipilates ka. Sabi ko, sabi niya, kawawa yung coach mo, reklamador ka pa naman. Sabi ko, hoy, sabi ko ganun, pero ako yung napapasunod mo palagi. Oo nga, sabi niya ganun. Pero sabi niya, ano reklamo mo? Sabi niya, buti hindi siya nagre-reklamo sa'yo. Ganyan pa naman.
Nagreklamo mo yung coach mo. Malapit na daw.
Sabi niya, ano ka pa naman, ma'am?
Ayan.
Sakit nun, tama.
Okay.
Fairness, ha?
Opo, other side.
Ganun talaga yung sakit dito siya.
Opo, sa legs.
Yeah.
Opo. And
Sa
as long as hindi sa low back.
Dito. Hindi na.
Hindi naman. Okay,
Legs
that's
lang.
good. Legs lang talaga dapat. Okay. And exhale, rotate to the left. And extend. And bend and return. Exhale for 2. And extend. And bend and return. Exhale for 3. And extend. Bend and return. Exhale for 4. And extend. Bend and return. Last 2. Rotate. And extend. Bend and return. Last one. Exhaling, rotate. And extend. Hold here. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend and balik sa gitna. Okay. Shake ang legs. Recover.
Recover.
Recover. Yan. Ilang hours po ba kayo sa gym usually? 2 hours?
2 hours. Oh.
Ang tagal.
Oo. Kasi ang dami kong tabang binabal. Binabalan na eh. Oo.
Okay po.
Tapos yung coach ko tuwa-tuwa siya
Kunin sa strap po. Nakahiga pa rin.
Eto.
Yan. Ay.
Ang dami!
Yung kasi kanina.
Sorry naman.
Pinatanggal. Yan.
Super okay yan.
Okay, good. And extend po ang arms. Yan. Legs to tabletop again. Yan. Okay, start tayo. Kapantay muna si hand, si shoulder. Hand, yan. Okay. Exhale, lower your arm down for 1. Baba mo siya sa gilid. Yan. Inhaling, return up. Exhale for 2. Inhale, return. Ipit po. Yes. Exhale for 3. Inhale, return. Exhale for 4. Inhale, return. Exhale for 5. Inhale, return. Exhale for 6. Inhaling, return. Exhale for 7. Inhaling, return. This time, sama si chest and head po. Curl up, yan. And exhale, curl up for 1. Yan. Inhaling, return. Yes. Okay, maintain. Exhale for 2. And return. Exhale for 3. Move from your chest, not your head. Inhale, return. Exhale 4. Inhale, return. Exhale for 5. Inhale, return. Exhale for 6. Inhale, return. Exhale for 7. Inhale, return. Exhale for 8. Inhale, return. Exhale for 9. Inhale, return. Exhale for 10. Inhale, return. Exhale for 11. Inhale, return. Exhale for 12. Inhale, return. Exhale for 13. Inhale, return. Exhale for 14. Inhale, return. Exhale for 15. Inhale, return. Exhale for 16. Inhale, return. Exhale for 17. Inhale, return. Exhale for 18. Inhale, return. Exhale for 19. Inhale, return. Exhale for 20. Inhale, return. Exhale for 21. Inhale, return. Exhale for 22. Inhale, return. Exhale for 23. Inhale, return. Exhale for 24. Inhale, return. Exhale for 25. Inhale, return. Exhale for 26. Inhale, return. Exhale for 27. Inhale, return. Inhale, return. Exhale for 7. Inhale, return. Last one, my hold. And exhaling, curl up. Prepare for a hold. Lower pa si arms. Yan. Hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhaling, return. Okay. This time si obliques naman po. Okay. Hawak si ball. Yan. And bring the ball to your right side. Papunta here. Curl up.
Sa same table.
Extend si right po. Pagka-curl up.
Okay.
Okay. Inhale for nothing muna. Exhale, curl up for 1. Yan. Inhaling, return. Exhale, curl up for 2. And return. And curl up for 3. Naiwan ko si ulo. Curl up for 4. Yan. Good. Curl up for 5. Dahan-dahan yung pabalik. Curl up for 6. Last 2. 7. And 1 more. Okay, good. Other side. Deep breaths. And exhale for 1. Left lang tayo. Inhale, return. Exhale for 2. Inhale, return. Exhale for 3. Inhale, return. Exhale 4. Inhale, return. Exhale for 5. And return. Hold tayo this time. Stay 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, return. Okay, good. Solid muna si straps po. Yeah, sa hook. Yes. Okay, good. And then, roll on your side po. Let's sit down. Yeah. Okay. Change your spring po. Gawin pong one long yellow. Yan. Long po, so sa likod.
Dito? What do you mean?
Here po. Yun.
Okay. And then this one,
Tanggal po. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sit down
Meron pala
here
siya.
po. Yes, may likod. May long po, may short. Sit down here po sa box, facing the back of the room. Yeah.
This one?
Yes po. Okay. Okay. Yes. Hawakan po si D-ring. 2 fingers inside. Here po. Sa D-ring.
Here.
Yes. This is the D-ring. Okay.
The gearing.
Okay. Ang daming ano.
Ang dami palang
Ang daming
term.
hanesh ng Pilipinas. Ang daming hanesh. Kung ano-ano.
Okay, kaya lang sa baba, two
Meron-
fingers lang.
Carriage. Carriage ka dyan.
Oo.
Kabay
Oh,
ka,
sige.
girl. Okay, palms facing each other po. Yan. Tapos roll back tayo. Roll back. Yan. Higaan natin si bola. Parang nung kanina. Wait lang po. Si bola po. Abante pa po. Forward. Yan. Tapos yung parang position natin nung first na ginawa natin.
Okay.
Yan. Okay.
Di ba tayo?
Okay. Yan.
Di ba tayo magtitaralit siya pa?
Parang hindi na.
Di ba?
Wait
Di ba
lang
tayo?
po. Ayan.
Yan.
Hindi ko di may problema.
Kasi may score yung agas. Pantay. Oo.
Okay. And exhale. Open to T.
Exhale.
Yes. Yan. Inhale, return. Exhale for 2. And return. Kaya si straps po. And 3. Okay, return. 4. And return. 5. And return. Exhale, 6. And return. Exhale for 7. And return. 1 more. 8. And return. This time, si right leg going tabletop po. Same movement 5 times. Exhale, open. 1. Inhale, return. Exhale for 2. Inhale, return. Exhale for 3. And return. Exhale, 4. And return. Exhale for 5. And return. Stay here po. Gawing dalawang leg. Naka-tabletop. Yan.
Pero ko, teka.
Adjust ko sa wall. Kaya. Yan. Yan yung feeling po. Yes. Feel this in your core dapat. Si core yung mag-hold sa'yo in place. So,
Si core.
yes, si core. And exhale, open. Yan. Inhale, return. Slowly lang yung pabalik natin. Yes. 3. And return. Last 3. 4. And return. 2 more. 5. And return. Last one. 6. And return. Okay, good. Sorry si straps po. Careful. Sorry nga si straps muna. Yan. Okay. And then face here naman sa mirror po. Okay. Kunin si straps. Gawin natin ring this time. Okay. Si legs po nasa gilid para makamotor. Yan. Distribute your weight. Exhale, lift for 1.
Here.
Yes, papunta there po. Shoulder level. Inhaling, return. Exhale, pull for 2. Inhale, return. Exhale, pull for 3. Inhale, return. Exhale, pull for 4. Inhale, return. Last 4, pull. Inhale, return. Exhale for 6. Inhale, return. Exhale for 7. Inhale, return. Last one, may hold lang tayo. Okay, hold. Si left lang, magsistay there. Okay, si right. Bend. Sige, archer. And extend. Okay, bend. And extend. Last 3. Slowly bend. And extend. 2 more. Yan. Si left actually ang nag-work dyan. 1 more last. And other side. 1. Yan. Si right naman ang nag-effort. 2. Last 3. 2 more. Bend. And extend. Last 1. Bend. And extend. Return sa sides. Okay, good. Balik si stops to. Yan. Careful. Careful. Yan. Okay, good. And then, go down muna sa floor po. Let's adjust si Max.
Tingnan natin kung mag-hirap.
Tapos di pala nag-record. No, parang
Kanino pa ako nahihirapan?
parang inuulit lang ang nakaraan.
Hindi, nag-record siya.
Okay. Sige po. Here, see yung hands natin nandito po.
Here.
Yes.
And then?
Naka-kneel down po tayo.
Okay, nakakuha dito.
Yes.
Okay.
Yan. Okay, wait lang po. Remove natin ang box. Yan. Okay, good. So, si feet po, abot ito, yung shoulder block. Yan. Okay. So, scoop your belly in. Okay. Lift your knees up. Okay. Kaya i-extend si tuhod. Yan. And then bend it in. Papunta sa sarili ko.
Papunta sa akin.
Yes.
Here.
And then bend it in. Yan.
Should I bend?
Yes. Ganun po. Okay. Baba muna natin si Miss. Adjust ko lang. Yan.
Kasi short leg ako.
Oh.
Charot.
Lumasa yung shade.
Alam mo na. Ay, short leg pala siya. Ang laki ng in-adjust mo dalawa. 11 lang ako, kala mo 5 ako.
Ako bang basic kasi yan?
Sorry!
Okay.
Grabe pa basic to, ang hirap ha.
Pang-basic.
Salamat, in-adjust mo.
Ginawa ko more for 11.
Okay, sige, thank you.
Okay.
And then,
See?
again?
Yes po. Push your knee out. Okay, bend it in nang hindi bababa sa carriage. 2. Bend mo pa hanggat makarating sa stopper.
Here?
Yan,
Ah,
hanggat
here.
makabalik.
Dito, makakabalik
Yes.
siya, okay.
Yes. Okay, try natin. Fix niyo po yung soles na nakaganito dapat. Yan. Opo, para mas napupush. Diba?
Okay, sige, sige.
Yan, sige.
Sige, try natin.
Okay, try natin. Yan. All the way. 2. All the way in. 3. Slowly. 4. Last 2 lang. 5. Okay, syempre may hold yung huli. 8. 7. Hold natin. 6. 5. 4. 3. 3. 2. And 1. Bend your knees and return. Okay, good. Child's pose po. Recover. Yan, child's pose. Recover. Ayan. Kasi gagawin natin single leg.
No?
Gagawin natin siya single leg. Okay, paano ang single leg? Okay, so si right po, ang gusto niyo unahin si right.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. So si left knee po, nakaipit lang siya dito sa bola.
Dito.
Yan.
Oh my God. And then,
Iangat niyo po si right knee.
sige, sige, wait lang.
Sige, sige. I believe you carry.
Sige.
Parang kanina.
Okay.
Yan. Bend your right. Yes. And 2. Good. 3. And 4. Last one lang. Hold. 5. 4. 3. 3. 2. And 1. Bend your knee. And baba. Si 2. Yes. Child's pose. Yan. Recover. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, kabilang side. Ipit ang bola using your tuhod. Yan. Okay. Ready? Sige. Position yourself first. And lift your knee up. Then, exhale out. Last 4 long. Out. 3 more. And out. Last 2. 1 na lang. And hold lang tayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 second. Child's pose po. Child's pose. Recover. Yan. Okay. Recover. Okay. And then close your carriage. Sit down po muna. Ang daming punish. Wait lang.
Ang daming in-adjust, ma'am. Sorry naman, Tami.
Deep breaths po muna para magkuha ang breath. Yan, okay din. Yung.
Kinugol.
Tingnan. Wala na lalagyan ng kamay. Okay po.
Oh my God.
Ito po yung jump board natin.
Jump? Ibig sabihin, tatanong na.
Yes, tatanong po talaga.
Promise.
Promise. Promise. Righty-tighty. Yan. So, bale yung legs, push siya with core. Wala. Okay ba? Push. Yan. Okay. So, nakahiga po. Wondering na.
Wondering.
Yes. Okay. Naalala ko yung position kasi yan muna without the ball. Okay, good. So, test muna natin. Okay, so from here, okay. Ano lang, heels lang po. Sa center ka po mag-push kasi yun yung mas sturdy na part.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Try po natin muna ha. And push. And balik. Yan. Okay. 2, 3, and 4. Masakit sa tuhod, kaya. Okay. Opo. Kasi depende rin siya sa case. Yan. Last 3.
Pero yung pag yun, ito yung pagbaba ko, okay lang yung paa ko na nakaganito.
Mhm.
Nakahil, it's okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
6, 7, last 1, 8. Okay. So, gagawin natin siya po. Pero same ng position natin ng unang exercise. Nakahiga ka po here. Yan.
Sige na tayo. Ito na naman tayo. Hindi ako dito.
Yan, higa.
Tapos, this one here,
Hands.
nakaganito. Okay.
Wait lang, pantay na po ba ang likod?
Parang hindi kami. Sabi sa'yo kami.
Ikaw is ganyan.
Sabi sa'yo kami.
Yan.
Yan. Ay,
Okay.
See?
Yes.
Uy, hirap na to ah. Kasi, babalance ko siya.
Yes.
So, push ulit.
Pero nakahiga ka naman po siya, so that's fine.
Sige.
And exhale, push for 1. Yan. And 2. Yes. Yun, hindi kailangan mo masyadong malayo.
Okay.
Only as much as you can. Yan. And try natin. Take your time.
Okay.
Okay, good. 30 seconds tayo.
Should I exhale kapag pinush?
Yeah. Okay, 30 seconds. Di pa nga si next. Okay, 15 more seconds. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Push. Okay, slowly return. Okay. Deep breaths. Okay.
Yun lang yung masarap.
Okay, obliques po. So this time, okay, pagkatalo natin, single leg lang yung tatalo.
Ito
Yes,
lang.
Ito lang. And then, pagka-jump po ng right leg, touch your right elbow to your knee.
Okay. Sige.
Sige,
Let's see.
let's see. And 2. Careful po. Hindi kailangan masyado malakas. Yan. 4. 30 seconds here. 15 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 2, and 1, and return. Okay. Sa legs. Yes. Okay.
Next.
Other side.
Sige.
Single leg. Yan. Okay. 1. Masakit. Parang may
Yung
nangyari.
May something, di ba?
Yung pininas mo.
Ay, okay lang,
May
di ba?
hindi.
Lagi na lang sa left.
May hindi pantay. Na nagkakita.
No, you know, hindi pantay yung left.
Hindi pantay yung...
Oo, sabi ko sa'yo, wait lang.
Katawan.
Wait. And exhale. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, continue. 30 seconds. Oo nga. Napaka-agree.
Di ba?
True na dun. Seconds.
Ay, sorry.
Okay lang. Yan. Yun. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. And return. Okay.
Di ba? Hindi siya pantay.
Hindi siya pantay. Upo mo muna. Hindi siya pantay. May hindi na pantayan. Okay. Let's do your... Dito na tayo. Huwag natin i-adjust yan. Mamaya na.
Dito na tayo.
Lumipat.
Lumipat. Tama naman, huwag mo na i-adjust.
Okay.
Sige.
Yan.
Di ba?
Okay. Kneel down po. Dito sa yan. Okay. Sandal ang soles here. Yes. Like that. Okay, careful. And exhaling push. Yan. Okay. Further pa sini. Sini yung magpupush out.
Oh my God.
4, 3, 2. Inhale, bring your knee in muna. Yan, tapos balik. Yes. Okay, good. Exhale, push for 2. Yan. Tapos yung knee yung magpupush out. 1. Inhaling, bring your knee in first. Bago ibalik. Okay. Exhale, push for 3. Inhale, bring your knee in slowly. Tapos return your surge. Okay. 3 more. Exhale, push. Inhale and return. 2 more. Exhale, push. Yan. Tapos open. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale in. Last one. Exhale, push. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, bring it in, close. Okay, let's stretch it up and outwards. Si right hand po hawak dito sa ilalim. Yan. Exhale. exhale, push out.
Push up.
Yes. Same movement. Tapos si head po, tingin dito sa wall. Yan. So si head, mapupunta siya in between your arms.
Here?
Yes. Inhale, return. 4 more. Exhale, push for 2. Inhale, return. Exhale, push for 3. Inhale, return. Exhale, push for 4. Inhale, return. Last one. Exhale, push for 5. And inhale, return to close. Okay, other switch. Exhale, push for 1. Inhale, return. Exhale, push for 2. Inhale, return. Exhale, push for 3. Inhale, return. 2 more. Exhale, push for 4. Inhale, return. Okay, last one. Exhale, push for 5. Inhale, return. Okay, go. And go down sa side. Let us stretch your legs. Go. Okay, good. Face here. Yan. Okay, patong lang po. Yan. And exhale, push. And then hawak here. And open. And then inhale, use your hands para mabalik siya.
Okay.
Yan.
So habang pinagdagdag siya.
Yes. And exhale, push. Feel this in your inner thighs only as much as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale and return. 2 more. Exhale. Push. Straighten both knees. Inhale and return. Last one. Exhale, push for 3. Stay here. Yan. Stretch, hold. And inhaling, return. Okay, baba si leg po. And then, ikot po sa kabilang side. Okay, right side. Exhale, push. Yan, good. Extend. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhaling, return. Alright. 2 more. Exhale, push. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhaling, dahan-dahan, return. Careful. Last one. Exhale, push for 3. Hold po for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly return. Okay, that's good. Baba po si leg. Yan. And go inside your frame po. Let's do your roll downs up. Again, face the mirror po. And exhale, bring your chin to your chest, curl down. Heads down, release the tension on your neck. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale slowly. Arms up, lengthen the spine. And relax your arms to the sides. Okay, and raise hand. Okay. Sige po.
Grabe, hindi mo to talaga. Hindi na kaya.
Kamusta po yung tuhod? Okay naman, carry. Yun
So,
kasi
okay
for
naman.
cardio talaga. For weight.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Ito.
For weight, weight reduction. Opo. Yes. And then, medyo nag-arm still tayo.
Oo nga eh. Pero okay lang sa kanya yung arms. Dito talaga yung left leg ko. Hindi siya pantay dito.
Hindi talaga pantay. Oh.
Nakalata mo na siya. Something's wrong, ma'am.
Parang hindi man.
Kanina smooth na ka. Hindi na siya smooth. Yan tayo, eh.
Parang medyo,
O, di ba?